Hi again, art friends. It's Miss Quisler. On today's episode, I'd like to show you how I made this Tic Tac Toe set. The other day I went on a hike and I collected 10 rocks that are all about the same size, and I'm also going to use this piece of felt for this project. First, I'm going to take just 5 of the rocks and I'm going to paint a design on them. In a normal tic-tac-toe set, one set of 5 rocks would have X's and the other one would have O's, but I'm going to be a little bit more creative with mine, and this set of rocks is getting some blue dragonflies. I am using acrylic paint for this step. That way when it dries, it will really stay put. So I'm going to go ahead and paint the same thing on all 5 of these rocks. Then I'm going to do the next set. And the next 5 rocks, I'm choosing to do orange flowers, like this. Okay, I've got all of my rocks painted, and now I'm going to work on the tic-tac-toe board. I'm using a piece of felt and this string, and I'm going to stitch the lines for the tic-tac-toe board onto the felt. If you'd like to learn more about this type of stitching, you can check out my YouTube channel for a video called Sewing Practice Disc, where I teach all kinds of stitches that you could use in a piece of fabric like this. There it is, friends, a tic-tac-toe board made with rocks. I can't wait to see all of the art that you're making at home. Please remember to share it with me. Happy arting, everyone.